The hell is that? Hello sa inyo mga kalods, and we are back again with another video na naman ako saan tayo ay maglalaro ng panibagong horror game na pinamagatan na Sewer Call. So simulan agad natin tong video na to. Let's go na. Wow. Wow. Took you long enough to pick up. Sorry boss. It's 2 AM. What do you want? There's a broken pipe down in the Blackwater sewers. I need you there now. Fix it ASAP. Blackwater sewer. I thought that place was abandoned. Abandoned. Okay, sure. Mostly, but one of the main pipes down there is still connected to the town sewer system. If it bursts, we've got a serious problem. Can't this wait until morning? No. Get over there. Now. Grabe demanding. Fine, I'm going. And one more thing. If you hear anything strange down there, ignore it. What the hell is that supposed to mean? I don't know. Sure. Yeah, I don't know what the hell. That's... Nabubulol na naman ako. Sige. Hello? Ano to? I should take flashlight and toolbox from the trunk. I guess that should do it. Alrighty. Now, what the hell am I supposed to do in here? Hindi ko alam. F for flashlight. Okay, sure. So, we're just gonna keep going. Hindi ko alam saan ako nililid. Okay, so ito yung sewer na sinasabi. Lock. I'm pretty sure the key is somewhere near... Talaga ba? Alrighty. So, may inaayos na ako. Lumipot lang ako sa headset ko saglit. Pero sabi, malapit lang daw yung susi. So, I'm guessing or I'm thinking na maybe it's in this car. Yes, it is. Well, I don't know what the hell and how it happened. And napakalapit lang ng susi. But... even though it doesn't make sense, sige, we're just gonna keep going na lang din. And I'm having a bad feeling sa... Yo! Gagi, may humihinga dito. May humihinga, putik na yun. Who is that? Ba't may humihinga? Sino yun? Ano yun? More likely, hindi ko alam. Alright. I mean, now we gotta find that broken pipe and fix it. Yeah, what else am I supposed to think, diba? Diba, ganun naman lagi, diba? What the hell do I need in it? I don't know! And don't you ask me dahil hindi ko talaga alam, okay? Like, the hell, bro? Ayun, crowbar nga. Okay, so, I'm here, tapos, wait lang. So, dito, dire-diretso, pataas. Hindi, wait lang. Hindi, okay, so, forward, I guess yung lock. Hindi, I guess ito yung, ano tawag dito, yung, may kailangan ng, crowbar. Up here, papunta dito. Tapos, dadaanan natin to. And then, sakaling may ano dito, susi. I'm guessing na somewhere dito or something. Basta yun na yun, ang gulo. And I always hate na mag-explain, okay? You guys know that. Ayoko nagpapaliwanag. And I'd rather na, explore na lang yung laro kaysa i-discover kung ano pa yung true patterns or something. Okay, wait lang. Ano ulit yun? Hindi. Ayoko nga. Gusto ko mag-explore eh. Ano ba pake nyo? Ewan ko anong hinahanap. No. No. Okay? Never mind. Never mind. Ayoko na. Fuck, that's cold. I can barely feel my feet. I need to get through this quickly. Oh, sure. Oh, ito agad. Malamig ba, boss? Napapamura ka. Wow, this looks like some kind of movie set or another stupid Halloween prank. Seryoso ka, tol? Yun talaga unang papasok sa isip mo? I don't know what's even my purpose dito. Seryoso. Holy shit, is there a corpse? I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask him. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, it's locked. So, doon tayo dadaan sa kabila. Aha! Napakatanga. What? No! Ano yun? Ito, thin air? Something like that? Ayun. Tapos, I think I'm gonna go here. Are you kidding me? Another lock door. I knew it nakalock to. Tulad yan nung nakita ko kanina kasi it looks suspicious eh, not gonna lie. Hello? What the hell is that sound? Ano yun? Ano? Anong meron? Ano? Hindi ko maintindihan. Ito, arrow dito. Ano meron dito? Hindi ko alam. Siyempre, huwag niyo ako tanungin. Susi, tapos mga bangkay. Okay, sure. By the way, guys, rest in peace, okay? I'm gonna pay respect to, to your, ano ba tawag dun? Yung libingan, libingan, power. At kapag ano ba yun? Can you guys please stop relying on the sound effects and just scared me. Using a jump scare, okay? Jump scare na lang kung talagang gusto nyo takutin, no? Tulad ng kanina kasi naaanoy na ako. Seryoso, oo. Naaanoy na ako sa sound effects na to. Kanina pa. And that's why I'm hoping na sana... Wait, eto na ba yung pipes? Yeah, it is. So the bulb is broke. Ay, pipes tuloy. The bulb is broken. I gotta find a new one. There should be one in the generator. What makes you think na meron? Seryoso. Pero okay, sabi ng game eh. Sige, sure. Nakakahilo, seryoso. Kasi tignan nyo yung laro. Well, this is my cardio for the week. Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Tignan natin kung masabi mo pa yun ulit. Oo, tignan natin. Ang galing! Kanina nakalock, ngayon naka-unlock na. Seryoso. Hindi ko alam anong foolishness nung nangyayari dito, pero sige, sure. Give me that sheet, tapos... Hello? Hi? Roamer in the sewer? Hello? What's up? Seryoso. Kung gusto niyo akong takutin, huwag na kayo mag-rely sa sound effects. Please lang. Oo. Okay? I'm pretty sure someone just following me right at this point. I can't be mistaken. Wow. Hindi ako pwedeng magkamali, okay? I'm pretty sure may sumusunod na sa akin ngayon. Like, hindi ko alam pero naririnig ko na lang talaga. Seryoso. Well, anyway, sige. Horror game is a horror game. Ano magagawa natin? Hold on. Sa maling lugar ba ako? Ay, sorry. Kailangan ko pala dumaan dito, gagi. Malay ko ba? Sorry na. What the hell is happening? What the hell is this place? Seriously. At saka bakit kailangan ikaw yung ipadala dito, tol? You could have just reject the offer, though. Like, seryoso. Alright, job's done. Now I just need to get out of here. I don't think you can! Okay, sure. Joke lang. Paalisin mo naman ako, di ba? You could have just let me get out of this place, no? Kaysa i-hunt mo ako, like seriously, tol. Ah, yes, ito nga. Wait, where's the lad? Oh, fun! Sure. Yeah. I don't think I have a choice at this point. Hindi ako pwede magkamali, okay? Hindi ako pwede magkamali. I'm pretty sure nandito siya ngayon at hindi yan aalis. Prepare ka sa jumpscare, okay? Mag-prepare kayo. Nag-iiba na yung sound. Nagkakaroon ng static sound eh. I'm pretty sure we're getting closer to the freaking habulan or something. Or maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong all along. Ano to? Dugo tapos keep going. Eto na, malapit na. Sheesh. Now, I don't know what's supposed to happen, but if it says na mag-U-turn di mag-U-turn. Sige, sure, lagi namang ganun, di ba? Ulit-ulit lang naman tayo sa horror game eh. Sundan kung ano sinasabi ng multo, and then you die. Sa bagay. Wala nang bago dun. Oh, hindi na. What the hell is that? I'm pretty sure wala yan kanina. I'm pretty sure wala yan. Oo. And now what the hell is that doing in there, ha? Tsaka parang mas humaba yung tunnel ngayon. Seryoso. Sana ba't pababa? Tol, paangat yun kanina. Pa ganun, no? Pa ganun, hindi pa ganun. Anong nangyayari dito, ha? Anong nangyayari dito? May mali dito eh, seryoso. But I guess I have to keep following this path. Even though I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die. I don't know what's the reason I'm gonna die, but still, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die. Malapit na tayo sa ending eh. What the heck? Who the hell is that? Okay, I don't know if that's the only ending or may iba pa, but I guess that's the ending for now. Anyway, so hopefully nag-enjoy kayo dahil ako nag-enjoy ako na sobra and hopefully ay kayo din. So yun lang, maraming salamat sa panood ng video na to. Aray tayo dyan, palisin mo, pupa. Stay humble. Ha.